let's try our crispy fish from Casori air fryer. Ooh. Hey guys, Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. Guys, in today's video we are going to fry fish. We are going to use our new Casori air fryer. As you know, if you have not watched guys my other videos, please go watch, and that's why you understand why I'm making this video. I had purchased an air fryer before, and then the company did a recall of the air fryer and they issued a new air fryer, which we have now. So we are going to test that new air fryer, and the first thing that we're going to do, we are going to fry fish. Guys, the weather, it's so cold, that's why you see me like this. It's Saturday guys, the weather is bloody cold. Let me show you the fish we are going to fry, okay? This is the fish we are going to fry in our air fryer. Our air fryer guys is right there, right there. I'm gonna show you in a little bit, but let me show you this fish is tilapia skin fillets. Guys, I love tilapia, and this fish actually you can find it in the grocery stores here in the US. So this is how guys this fish looks like. Right now it's frozen, but we are going to defrost this before we can start frying. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna open it, sprinkle some salt, and guys, you are more than welcome to put all the spices you want here, but for me, I like just to sprinkle some salt, and then I make a spicy soup on the side to go with it. Okay, so let me show you how we're going to defrost it. So guys, we're going to use this microwave right here. I have another microwave, but this is another set of microwave on the other side, which I'm going to do defrosting of my fish. Like so, I'm gonna put the fish in there with the bag, of course, and then I'm going to cover. Let me show you. So we're going to cover it like that, and then we are going to do defrosting. I'm gonna come here to my microwave and heat defrosting, and I'm going to set timer. Let me start with 3, let me see, maybe 3 minutes, and then we hit start. And right now our fish is defrosting in there. It's not baking, it's not cooking, but it's defrosting. Okay, and then over here, this is our new Casori air fryer right there, and it's on. So when this fish is ready defrosting, we are going to put our spices if you want to like spices, or you can put salt as me, and then we are going to deep fry the fish in here. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you all the process. Let's wait for our fish to defrost. Meanwhile, as the fish is defrosting, the main reason that why this air fryer, guys, that's my mail. The main reason why this air fryer was being recalled, it's because they said it can catch fire when you are cooking or baking, because there's a lot of heat that comes from the inside the air fryer that may cause you guys, some of us who are users of this air fryer, to overheat and burn yourself. Okay, and the handle of the air fryer can melt and break and burn you. So wow guys, our fish is defrosted, so we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some salt, a little bit of salt, you know, and we're gonna go ahead, if you want to use curry powder right here, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of curry powder, yeah, and if you want to do some turmeric, go ahead and do a little bit of turmeric. Yes, now this fish is going inside our air fryer. Let me go ahead and open, guys. I'm recording at the same time holding a thing. So guys, if you don't want your air fryer to stick, let me show you what you're gonna use. If you don't want it to stick on the bottom, I use this Pam Original Easy Cleanup. So what I do, I spray this on the fish. Let me show you. I spray it on the fish so it doesn't stick, okay? And you turn it from the other side like this. And then we spray it, guys. Bear with me with my recording here. So this fish is ready to go into the air fryer so that we can fry it. Let's go. So our fish is going inside the air fryer. And then we put another one right here. Look at that. Look at that. So we are going to close our air fryer like that. And then the next thing, we are going to heat here, start. And then we are going to find fish. You know, they have everything here. They have chicken here. They have bread, fish, bacon, carrots. They have everything. Look at the carrots. French fries are here. Even broccoli here. So they have everything. So for me, I am going to fry fish. So I'm going to heat fish here. It's going to give you a temperature that you're going to cook fish, which is 350. That is how we are going to fry. And it's going to be frying for 8 minutes. Of course, I like my fish a little crispy. Let's see what 8 minutes is gonna do. So we're gonna start, and the air fryer is on. You can hear the noise, guys. This is how easy it is to bake or to fry, you know, fish here in the Casori air fryer. So we're gonna wait for 8 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and check it, okay? Guys, I can smell fish. It's almost done. I love fish. Guys, you know some people don't like the smell of fish. They love to eat fish, but they don't like the smell of fish. Well, don't worry. If you don't like the smell of fish, you can have your lemon. Look, you can do this before frying it or after. Today, I'm gonna do it after frying my fish. All I have to do is to drizzle a little bit of lemon water on my fish, and the smell is gone. So let's go check our fish. Oh well, guys, after 8 minutes in the air fryer, our fish is crispy, crunchy, and looking good. So what are you going to eat with this fish? You can eat with anything you want. For me today, I want to eat it with tomatoes, and also I want to drizzle lemon, okay? This is the lemon water I was talking about. See? You can drizzle that and enjoy your crispy fish. Or you can have it with ketchup or barbecue sauce, or you can make a soup on the side, whichever you want to eat, or you can French fries with fish. So there's a lot of ways you can enjoy this fish. Let's try it. So guys, let's try our crispy fish from Casori air fryer. Ooh. My God, it's crispy. My face can tell it all. I'm sorry, guys. As I told you, you can enjoy with your tomato. With the lemon. Guys, everything is on point. I'm sorry, guys, eating on camera, but hey, I wanted to show you how this air fryer, Casori air fryer, works. It's a good thing to have in the house, guys. I'm not trying to do advertisement for Casori air fryer, but I'm trying to show you what you can cook literally in 8 minutes. You can have this crunchy fish and you can enjoy with your family. So guys, we're gonna keep baking or frying more things in the air fryer because I want to show you everything that I cook or I fry in this Casori air fryer, so you guys can if you have a Casori air fryer, if you want to purchase one, it can be easier for you. It's gonna make your life so easy, especially in the morning when people are hustling. We're hustling to go to work. This air fryer, I'm telling you, it's a lifesaver. Okay, guys, let me enjoy my crunchy fish from Air Casori, and I'll see you next time in the next frying, cooking in the air fryer. Guys, make sure you subscribe, you share the video, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you know the next time I'm frying or I'm popping another video from my kitchen with my Casori air fryer to you guys. I'll say see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.